the front to see if it's there and get an optimum measurement. This is getting ready over here. Well, I think it's coming back now toward the OD now. This is waiting for that to give it time to get in there. There it is. Touches the X. Touch the Z. Now touch the X. Goes back. Rotates the turret for a clear spot. And yeah, you could program a dwell for the air. It looks like it's pretty good. You know where the other pieces at? Oh, sorry.
You can talk the whole time. It's going to a bunch of college kids downstairs.
Yeah. The jaws are getting older now. The plastics get harder. I feel like that's causing it to not grip as strongly as it used to when the rubber. We put some rubber tubing on the jaws to grip it better. That's what I think it is.
That's fun. That's not us.
Like a partnership or something?
So what it is, Dave, would you go to the screen and show them when
Sure.
you get a second?
Stop it here.
So.